Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the weather stripping around your exterior doors. So here obviously I have my exterior door, and actually the reason why I wanted to do this is because it's completely missing up here and we were starting to get a pretty nasty draft coming through. The first step is going to be to reach in here and to remove all this old weather stripping. So now what I'm going to do is take this piece, this is the old piece, butt it up next to the new piece, and just give yourself a rough idea of how long this needs to be. Obviously the old one is at a bit of a curve, so I'll straighten this out. Take a magic marker or a Sharpie, just mark what the distance is on the new piece, and then measure that with your tape measurer. So I could tell that this new piece needs to be, based on the old one, 78 inches. If you look at the end of weather stripping, you have this little piece that has teeth that kind of help stick in to the actual groove that's cut in the wood itself. And then you have, so if this sticks into the wall here, then this piece will close as the door closes, and it gives it that little air gap. So that's what helps with the insulation. So really all you got to do is measure up where that needs to go. Try to butt it up so that it's perfectly all the way at the top, and then you just start pressing it in. So as you look, this is butted up all the way to the top of the frame here and all the way down to the bottom. You don't want to leave any air gaps, so always try to cut it a little bit longer so that there's never any gap up here. So I'm going to add it for the rest of this door, but that's basically how you install weather stripping. It's super simple, and it actually could save you probably hundreds of dollars a year in heating loss. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.